Vitamin D is a vital nutrient for our health. It is often called the sunshine vitamin. This is because our bodies can make it when exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D helps our body absorb calcium. This is important for strong bones and teeth. Without enough vitamin D, our bones can become weak. There are two main forms of vitamin D. These are vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Vitamin D2 comes from plants. Vitamin D3 is made by our skin when we are in the sun. Both types of vitamin D are important. They help keep our bodies healthy in many ways. Vitamin D is not just about bones, it also helps our immune system. This means it helps our body fight off infections. Vitamin D is also linked to mood. Some studies show that it can help with depression. Many foods have vitamin D. These include fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk. However, sunlight is the best source. This is why it is called the sunshine vitamin. When our skin is exposed to sunlight, something amazing happens. The UVB rays from the sun hit our skin. This starts a process that makes vitamin D3. This process is natural and very important for our health. When UVB rays hit this cholesterol, it changes. It turns into vitamin D3. This is then sent to our liver. Here, it becomes active vitamin D. This is the form our body can use. Not all sunlight is the same. UVB rays are strongest when the sun is high in the sky. This is the best time to get sunlight for vitamin D. But be careful. Too much sun can cause skin damage. Sunscreen can block UVB rays. Short periods of sun exposure without sunscreen can help. Just 10 to 15 minutes is often enough. Vitamin D has many health benefits. It is best known for helping our bones. Vitamin D helps our body absorb calcium. Calcium is needed for strong bones and teeth. Without enough vitamin D, our bones can become weak. This can lead to conditions like osteoporosis. Vitamin D also supports our immune system. This helps our body fight off infections. People with low levels of vitamin D may get sick more often. Vitamin D can also help with chronic diseases. Some studies show it can reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Vitamin D is also linked to mood. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to depression. Some people feel better when they get more sunlight. This is because their vitamin D levels go up. This can improve their mood and overall well-being. Vitamin D is also important for muscle function. It helps our muscles work properly. This is important for everyone, especially older adults. Strong muscles can help prevent falls and injuries. Section 4. The consequences of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency can cause serious health problems. One of the most well-known is rickets. This is a condition that affects children. It causes their bones to become soft and weak. This can lead to bone deformities. In adults, low levels of vitamin D can cause osteoporosis. This is a condition where bones become brittle and fragile. This makes them more likely to break. Osteoporosis is a major health concern, especially for older adults. Vitamin D deficiency can also weaken the immune system. This makes it harder for the body to fight off infections. People with low levels of vitamin D may get sick more often. They may also take longer to recover from illnesses. Low levels of vitamin D are also linked to other health problems. These include heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Some studies show that low vitamin D levels can increase the risk of these conditions. This is why it is important to get enough vitamin D. The best time for vitamin D is between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. This is when UVB rays are strongest. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure can help. It is usually enough for our vitamin D needs. Avoid covering up with clothes or sunscreen. Too much sun can be harmful. It can cause skin damage and increase cancer risk. After 10 to 15 minutes, use sunscreen to protect your skin. You can also get vitamin D from foods and supplements. In conclusion, vitamin D is essential for our health. It helps keep our bones strong, supports our immune system, and improves our mood. The best way to get vitamin D is through sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure around 10 a.m. can make a big difference. Remember to balance sun exposure with skin protection. Enjoy the sun safely and keep your vitamin D levels up for better health.